So welcome to our booth at PCIM. My name is Carlos Fuentes. I'm Application Marketing Manager at ROHM Semiconductor. And today I am excited to present you our 2 kV silicon carbide MOSFET chip. This device was developed targeting industrial applications to cover the rising needs for higher DC link voltages, to lower losses, improve flexibility, and decrease costs from wiring and installation. The chip has been developed with 4th generation silicon carbide technology from ROHM and has been optimized for module operation. Therefore, it is very efficient for two reasons. First, it presents excellent cosmic radiation characteristics, allowing ROHM to provide a 2 kV device for a 1500 volt DC link application. A lower blocking voltage implies lower RDS(on) for the same chip technology. This means the chip features lower conduction loss without compromising robustness, allowing it to compete with 2.3 kV devices. Second, from switching characteristics, the device presents smooth transitions and a total switching loss, presenting very little dependency on temperature. Furthermore, the chip is very robust as it incorporates all the benefits of our 4th generation. In addition, one outstanding aspect is that the device performance ages very well. Under reasonable mission profiles, threshold voltage variation is very little in the positive direction, while RDS(on) is almost not affected, due to the flat behavior of RDS(on) versus gate source voltage. This is typical of our 4th generation as well. Finally, the device features an on-chip gate resistance. This simplifies module design as less components are constrained your layout and valuable space does not need to be allocated to external resistors. All this rounds up an excellent contender to be considered for module maker customers in the industrial segment, and great added value to their end customers as well. At ROHM, we have a strong commitment to industrial applications and are looking forward to continue providing new and innovative solutions to foster the region penetration of renewable energies to support the decarbonization challenges of our time. Want to hear more? I'm happy to provide you with more details. We are in booth 304 in Hall 9, so I'm looking forward to see you there.